So I have this 2024 Groundhog. It's a GH14-2. Something that I noticed when running it is that the gasoline in the tank could end up boiling. So a few times I've checked it while it was continuously running for hours, and the gasoline, when I went to refill it after I was done, was bubbling and boiling. So the heat is just a little too much inside the engine. So I thought maybe I could go ahead and get this or something like this. So I ended up having this one, which was on sale. It's a heat shield that goes over the muffler. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. There may be 2 bolts that I can use to hold it down. But if you look in here, inside this is a 2024 model that I bought. If you look inside here, there's the cage. So this cover that I got is supposed to be able to fit over a cage. The other thing is there's this plastic shroud. So in order to get the cover over the muffler, I'm gonna have to pull up on this plastic shroud thing, but there's just not enough room to be able to pull up on it that I can do it from here. So what I'm gonna do is take off this back cover. So to do that, in here there's 2 bolts on either side. So you just undo those on that side and the same on the other side, and then I should be able to pull the cover back off. So let me do that. Okay, so now that I got the cover off, I could see this plastic shield that's here, which is supposed to be similar to what I have, but it just doesn't cover the whole muffler, and it's got an opening on the other side that it's supposed to be venting out to, as well as out the back, but it's still just not enough. There's just too much heat in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get my new little thermal blanket thing on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can just put that on. I think it'll hold down by itself without any bolts, because I don't have any bolts up here anyway, but with this shroud thing already there, it's just gonna pin it down, so it's not gonna move. So it doesn't seem like I can slide the blanket over unless I remove this here thing. So it looks like there's just these 2 bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the nuts there. The bolts I can actually reach from the inside if I stick my hand up through this area here, and then I'll be able to put them back in once I have to reinstall this. But I think that's the only thing holding it on, those 2 bolts. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I was able to get the thermal blanket over the muffler after loosening up this and disconnecting it from the 2 bolts that were down here. So if you can see, I could move this around to the point where I could lift it about that high. I don't know how you would ever get this out of here, but probably have to take off more stuff. But anyway, that was enough to be able to let me slide the blanket over and then get it on the muffler. So now that it's on, I'm gonna go ahead and just put the shroud back and then put the cover back on, and hopefully this will reduce the amount of heat getting to the gasoline tank and help me not have my gasoline boiling if I'm running it continuously for a few hours.